Are you an investor who is always excited to discover more and more about new cryptocurrencies? Well, have you heard about SafeMoon before? If not, you're in the right place because we brought predictions of a recently launched claim to be the future cryptocurrency called SafeMoon. Hello, investors. Welcome back to Crypto Facts, your get-to-go place to find out everything about the latest cryptocurrency trends. With the recent success of Dogecoin, one thing is crystal clear that 2021 is proving to be an establishing year for cryptocurrencies. Enjoying this boom, several cryptocurrencies have been developed in recent months. Here, we're going to discuss one of those discoveries that have gained immense popularity among digital traders. SafeMoon. We'll look at the meaning, price development, and we'll try to answer the same question that was persistent to Dogecoin months ago. Can SafeMoon reach $1? If yes, when can it reach $1? To find out, watch this video till the end. Before we answer your question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I come back with a brand new video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. SafeMoon is a new recently launched cryptocurrency that has attracted many people online across various platforms. SafeMoon is a decentralized, community-driven DeFi token that performs three functions during trade. Think LP acquisition and burn. Intending to develop a non-fungible token exchange, the platform also intends to develop charity projects and crypto educational applications. The SafeMoon protocol was recently launched on March 8, 2021. According to the website, the token is based on three main functions: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. People who hold the token for a long time are eligible for static rewards. SafeMoon launched its trade on March 10, 2021, with a price almost close to $0. In 1 month, at the beginning of April 2021, the token managed to attract many traders who injected huge cash into the project to increase the price. SafeMoon, over the next 3 to 4 months, could gain momentum and reach around 0.0000845 cents. Price is expected to be close the previous year without any slippage and rally further, setting new highs. The price can discover its new highs throughout the year by forming new ATHs from time to time. In simple words, SafeMoon is a cryptocurrency launched a couple of months ago that is already reaching over 1 million users. SafeMoon is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency similar to Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but with a few key differences. SafeMoon will reward long-term holders by charging a 10% fee on every sale to discourage day trading that sometimes causes substantial price fluctuations. However, the first quarter allowed SafeMoon to double the size of its team and begin working on a marketing campaign. The last half of the year will be devoted to finalizing the SafeMoon exchange and opening an office in Africa. Whenever a new cryptocurrency is launched, people show a keen interest in knowing everything about that currency. Along with what is this currency, the other big question arises: who is behind this thing? In answer to that, we know very little about the creators of SafeMoon, except that there are 6 leaders. SafeMoon's CTO, Thomas Smith, has spent the last 2 years working with multiple blockchains and DeFi organizations. Now coming on to SafeMoon's performance with the world of cryptocurrency can be described as, like other cryptocurrencies, SafeMoon's price history consists of both ups and downs. In mid-April, the token reached 0.00001399 cents, showing the progress of 780%, then dropped to 0.00000421 cents on April 22nd. Again, in mid of May, the token showed a surge of a whopping 158% when it reached 0.0000982 cents. On May 24th, the token dropped to 0.00004179, with a 24-hour decline of around 4.5%. After this performance of SafeMoon, the question is still the same: will SafeMoon reach $1? If yes, when? we have some predictions to tell you if SafeMoon will reach $1. But before that, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like this video and share it as much as possible. SafeMoon initiated its trade on March 10th, 2021, with a price close to almost $0. However, it gained enough momentum to propel and rise steadily. Within a month, at the beginning of April 2021, the token successfully attracted many traders who infused huge liquidity into the project to uplift the price. The price at the same time of this consumption is around 0.0000702 cents and displays a strong tendency to surge high. SafeMoon in the coming 3 to 4 months may gain bullish momentum and reach somewhere around 0.000000845 cents. However, the project has attracted many traders, and hence a huge spike in the price may be expected in the coming months. By the end of 2021, the price may gain another decimal and rise to 0.0001256 cents, keeping the uptrend intact. Talking about the future of SafeMoon coin, the price is expected to carry the previous year close without any slippage and rally, further determining new heights. The price may discover its new heights throughout the year by forming new ATH every now and then. By the end of 2022, the price is expected to fly high and hit levels around 0.00016 cents to 0.0001655 cents. According to different price predictions made by different cryptocurrency platforms, we have some data in front of us. Wallet Investor says the token will keep on growing as it reaches 0.000032 cents by the end of the current year. It predicts that by the end of the year 2025, the token will cross the 0.000219 mark. Coinpedia predicts that by the end of this year, the token will trade around 0.00016, and by the end of 2025, it will trade possibly around 0.0005. According to Digital Coin Prices analysis, the token may touch 0.000000617 and 0.0000859 cents by the end of 2021 and 2025 respectively. SafeMoon cannot reach $1 by the year 2021, which answers the above question, but these predictions give us a hint of what a good long-term investment SafeMoon can be, and ultimately, at a certain point in time in the future, SafeMoon will reach $1, and people who have bought SafeMoon today at cheap rates will enjoy benefits of this growth. But it is advisable to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. We all know cryptocurrency is the future. In appearancing times, you will be paying the bills and receiving salaries in crypto. Taking note of the future, if you want to prepare yourself to be good with crypto and want to invest in a coin that is predicted to take over the other cryptocurrencies, then why not invest in SafeMoon in the initial days when it does not have much to offer, but claims to be a cryptocurrency of the utmost of future? So if you're concerned about whether SafeMoon is a long-term investment, it's indeed returned a profit for people who bought the token when it launched on March 8th. But there's always the possibility that the market could end up correcting itself and the value will go back down. Remember that SafeMoon price predicted is not set in stone. Do your own research and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. That's all we had to share about SafeMoon. If you've invested in this coin, we'd like to hear about your experience in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with your friends searching for crypto coins and valuable investments.